Rest verbs. Doze. It means to sleep lightly or nap briefly. Example: I like to doze in the afternoon when I feel tired. Lounge. It means to relax comfortably in a lazy manner. Example: on weekends, I just lounge around the house and watch TV. Nap means a short sleep, usually during the day. Example: I took a nap after lunch to recharge my energy. Relax means to rest and be free from stress. Example: after a long day, I like to relax with a good book. Unwind means to relax after a period of work or tension. Example: I like to unwind in the evening by listening to music. Wake up means to stop sleeping and become conscious. Example: I usually wake up at 7 a.m. to start my day. Sleep means to rest with your eyes closed and your body in a state of rest. Example: I try to get at least 8 hours of sleep every night. Sensory verbs. Sit means to rest with your body supported by your buttocks, often on a chair. Example: let's sit here for a while and enjoy the view. Blink means to close and open your eyes quickly. Example: the bright light made me blink a few times. Hear means to perceive sounds with your ears. Example: I can hear the birds singing outside. Listen means to give your attention to a sound. Example: I love to listen to podcasts during my commute. Notice means to become aware of something through sight or other senses. Example: did you notice the small details in this painting? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.